Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and drive video for you on a 1967 Plymouth GTX. Now, this beautiful car, I'll tell you what, I was gone out of town, I bought this car, got home, I looked it over, and man, was I impressed. What a beautiful car, 67 GTX. It's got a built 440 in it. This is a real GTX. It's not a tribute. It's not a satellite. It's a real GTX. RS23 VIN number. Built 440 under the hood. 727 torque flight automatic. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. I'm going to tell you what. I have owned a lot of these cars, and this is by far the nicest GTX I've had. The paint and body on the car are very, very nice. I would give this car a straight 9 out of 10 on the body. The stainless trim, bright work on this car is phenomenal. The chrome bumpers are nicer than any I've ever seen. The trim around the windows is beautiful. The trim on the inside of the car is beautiful. These are such a pretty car. This was always one of my favorite body styles, favorite years of cars. In fact, I have a black 67 that's in my personal collection. So automatic, like I say, 727. Just look at the chrome. I'm gonna get in this car, man. All the console was all redone. I got invoices and receipts dating back 30 years on this car. The gentleman we bought it from a family friend. The engine was overhauled in 2022. It's got 2,000 miles on it. It's 450 horsepower approximately. Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Look at that retro radio. Look at that cool tack down there. And just look at all this chrome. That's all chrome, and all that chrome is in beautiful shape. All that chrome, all around the windshield, the mirror. $150-mile-an-hour speedometer. The door gaps, the panel fitment is beautiful on this car. Check out that Super Commando 440. They are aluminum heads. They are aluminum intake, painted to look like original. I don't think you'd find a nicer GTX, folks. What a beautiful, gorgeous car. I'll open the trunk here for you quick. The jack, nice car cover. All the jambs are very nice. All the rubber seals are in good shape. Exhaust sounds great. And brand new Rev American Racing style wheels. I know my sales guy said, man, you should put the Magnum 500s on this car, but I tell you what, this thing looks so nice with them wheels on it. It's just hard for me to change them, but you know, if you wanted the Magnum 500s, order them and sell these. The lights, the gauges, the horn, the wipers, the radio, the tack. This thing is wow, what a car. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, really no imperfections to speak of at all in this car. I've seen one little one little tiny scratch right here. See that? One tiny little scratch. It's about the only thing I see on this whole car. And you GTX lovers know how difficult it is to find chrome and stainless and trim that's this nice on these cars. It's next to impossible. I know I had my 67 GTX. I'd like to get my bumpers. My bumpers are a little tarnished. My car is very nice too, but it's just so hard to find all this stuff. All this stuff has all been re-chromed. Just imagine the money spent on this car. And I got, I'll show you. I'll put this back in the car with me, but I got a whole file full of receipts and invoices and just the build sheet for this car is in here. Is that Gayla? Kevin, somebody. Dyno sheets in here, bunch of builds for the engine, just you name it. It's just paperwork galore. 323 ring gears in this car. Man, what a just awesome. Awesome. And I drove this car earlier. We're gonna go take it for a drive right now. I drove this car earlier and oh my goodness, what a pleasure to drive. No squeaks or rattles, doesn't shake, doesn't wander, just does everything it's supposed to do. What a wonderful, wonderful car. I know I get excited, but when you get a really good one, it's just so much fun to share it with everybody. All the dash lights work. Blower motor works. Heater works, defrost works, radio works. Feels like the lighter even works. I got all the windows down, so you might hear a little bit of wind noise, but man, it's such a nice day. How could you not want to have the windows down? Runs and drives amazing, just like I told you. It's just crystal clear. Brakes work perfect. Go down here and turn around. I'll get out and walk around the car with you once. Looking for a good one, don't look any further. Holy cow. Somebody's going to love to add this to their Mopar collection. Again, I apologize if the wind is blowing like crazy, but I do want to get out and do a walk around with you quick. Look at that beautiful 67 Man. really nice car. It wasn't as good as this car. This bitch flies, holy shit. I tell you what, you want a good one, you better give me a call first, because this thing will not last. This car is just as good as it gets, folks. 563-452-2450. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call and put this beautiful 67 in your garage before somebody else does, because it will not last. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend, folks.